Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspires to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaska Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba Inu. 122% gains for SHIB in store only if the uptrend extends up to. Shiba Inu's price has remained low for quite some time now. However, the last time this type of price action occurred was in September 2021, which was followed by an exponential move that more than doubled SHIB. The expectation of a volatile event from 29 October to 3 February 2021, Shiba Inu lost roughly 74% of its value. The swing highs of this downtrend can be connected using a trend line, denoting the extent of this decline. Also, it can be used to identify a breakout that occurred on 6 February. Now, SHIB seems to be doing something similar this time. The price action from 7 February to 17 March has led to another 40% downswing. Interestingly, the swing highs of this retracement can be connected using a trend line. For both these, Dogecoin, created anonymously in August 2020 under the pseudonym Ryoshi as the Dogecoin killer, shed 4,222 addresses from 1,161,661 to 1,157,437, ending a 3-month increase in holders that unfurled in November. According to analytics platform Into the Block, 95% of holders of SHIB have held the stock for between 1 and 12 months, showing a bullish long-term mood, while short-term sentiment is gloomy. Almost 80% of all SHIB in circulation are held by individuals with a net worth of $100,000 or more. Crypto traders losing interest in risky assets. The first signs of declining interest in Shiba Inu emerged in early February, when the meme cryptocurrency lost over 4,000 holding addresses between January 28 and February 3, 2022. The decline in interest could signal that cryptocurrency traders are reducing their exposure to a risky asset. SHIB's risk stems from the fact that the smart contract code underlying the DEX is publicly accessible, in contrast to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which both have publicly accessible codebases. There is evidence that long-term holders have been amassing Bitcoin, with the total amount held reaching 11.7 million BTC on March 17, 2022. Downward moves, the support level at $0. 0.000207 served as a major inflection point that absorbed the incoming selling pressure, thus allowing sideline buyers to accumulate. The recent retracement is getting constricted between the declining trend line and the horizontal support level, thereby suggesting an explosive breakout soon. In case of a bullish move, investors can expect SHIB to ride the wave and retest the $0.000350 resistance barrier. This climb would constitute a 55% ascent from the current position. While the conservative approach indicates that the upside could be limited to around $0.000350, an optimistic outlook reveals the uptrend could extend up to $0.000495. This move, however, would represent a 122% gain. While the technicals for SHIB are shining bright, suggesting a bullish outlook is around the corner, on-chain metrics, volume in particular, is revealing some specific signals that support the bulls. The on-chain volume for SHIB spiked from 640 million on 15 March to 229 billion on 17 March, revealing a 257% spike. This sudden uptick is often observed as a smart money accumulation at the end of a downtrend and is considered a buy signal. However, if a similar thing occurs at the top, it could serve as a potential sell signal, but combining this index's readings with social volume can give a more accurate indication of a local top. Regardless, the recent uptick combined with the consolidation in fractal formation confirms that an uptrend is a no-brainer. The only arguable point here is if SHIB will stop its ascent after a 55% gain, or continue higher until it retests $0.000495. And second news today about. In this video, we will raise the following question. Will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024.